This car came to me as a no-runner. We have an instrument cluster saying key not found, and we have a steering lock that doesn't unlock. Let's walk through the basics and fix this car. On this car, the symptoms are following. We have the key. We have a red light there. We press the start engine. We hear a beep, no start, and a message that says key not found. Even though this key looks like a classic Volkswagen key for the time being, keyless cars like this one works in different way than cars with classic mechanical steering locks. The thing here is that unlike older cars, the voltage on the key need to be on an acceptable level. Otherwise the car will fail to recognize the key. Therefore the problem we have in front of us. On older cars, the key battery only matters when it comes to the remote function, like locking and unlocking doors. But on keyless Superb, the case is different. But hey, you say, my LED on my key is lit up. And yes, that may be true, and also no. On this key, the LED is really poorly lit up, and I've been out for this before, and I'll say I'm quite certain that the battery in this one is busted. So let's grab a new one and replace it. So what we need to replace this beast of a battery is a flat screwdriver, a small one, and a new battery. It's a CR2032, by the way. We pop the key, then we can see there is a gap here. You put your thumb, and then the cover goes off. And then you tap this out, boop, and replace it. Boom. Hoppa! Let's try this in the car. There we go. We put our key right here. Hoppa! Do you press brake to start? Ha ha! If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you're into more car repairs, tool reviews, fault finding and things like that with me, you should consider subscribing. Now go out to your garage or your workshop and make an impact.